Good morning. It is now 11 a.m., the deadline for bid submittal. Bid announcements are not final and binding upon the city. They are all subject to review for completeness, accuracy, and compliance with all the terms and conditions provided in the bid specifications. The bidder must bid all line items set forth on the proposal pages, except to the extent that the specification allows otherwise. Any event that the comparison of the bidder's unit price or total price for any line item reveals a calculation error or other discrepancy, the unit price will prevail. The Chief Procurement Officer reserves the right to correct minor math errors and accept minor variances in the bid. This is an e-procurement bid opening. Only electronic bids are being read. Paper bids are not allowed. We have one specification number for today. That's spec number 1268878, RFQ number 29565. And this is for term agreement for equity lead service line replacements. Your senior procurement specialist is Nancy Peshoff. I will now be reading the bidders and the total base bids. For today's spec number 1268878, we have 3 bidders for today. Our first bidder is Griggs, Mitchell, and Alma of Illinois, LLC, doing business as GMA Construction Group. Their bid is $620,092,583,030.00. Repeating, that's $620,092,583,030.00. With an award criteria of $43,395,170.15. Repeating, that's $43,395,170.15. Next bidder we have is Plumbing Professionals Company with a bid of $25,432,387.50. That's $25,432,387.50. With an award criteria of $24,262,497.68. That's $24,262,497.68. And last but not least, we have Reliable Contracting and Equipment Company with a bid of $37,201,475.00. Repeating, that's $37,201,475.00. with an award criteria of $36,643,452.87. That's $36,643,452.87. And because Reliable Contracting and Equipment Company was our last bidder for today, this will complete the bidding process for this morning. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.